Okay. No.
So no, go on.
Giikaro gia kamite ya bunge ya ugitiri ni ko minister wa ugitiri Kipchumba Murkomen abithuritie uboro wegi muigana wa ikundi ganani bũrũri-inĩ akiuga kuri na ikundi tanyibeire igana rimwe na ingi cia nyanake iria ithogothaga micemanio yote ti na wakumakani makiria ni kuona ati ateti niyo maciburaga njeki ya kibesa.
These groups have evolved from loosely organized street formations into sophisticated and adaptive criminal enterprises. In many cases, they operate as decentralized networks, making them more difficult to detect and dismantle. Current national assessment indicates that there are over 100 organized gangs across the country, with significant concentration in the cities such as Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, and a growing presence in emerging cities.
Murkomen akiorota ateti ogete gutire muigana wa maobitha a borithi ungibota kunina ikundi cikaimana amu kire kingi cinina ni uruma wa ateti metikire gutiga kubunjia rumena na kubenyana kesi uteithio makiriganiro murera nyoka no ikamuruma.
We'll remember how Mishuki, really crashed and break, all this. You're up to the task. You have to save this country.
On 26th April 2026, there's going to be a rally in Kisumu. Could you give us, as Linda Mwananchi, the assurance that the state will provide sufficient security?
Not Kisumu alone. All these goons and gangs are available for hire. The man who will take care of them today, will only be doing so because he has the capability and time. Irresponsible leaders are the greatest threat to national security.
Minister yo obo akiorota rubonge rwo cirithania ugitenero bacetie mwaro amu rirenyana kesi cia nyito ni maubitha a borithi na ciatwaro igoti-ini rubonge rwa ucirithania rucoka gucierekereria na ikathie na mbere na wikinae.
Then there are magistrates and judges who are on standby to give a court order, and they don't need to do much. They'll just say, as the case is progressing, the status quo be maintained. And status quo, your land is already occupied. So the status quo is such that you will not be able to access your land. And then the case now drags on for years and years and years.
Murkomen ogite gatagataine kanya na 17 iria ciatharĩkĩire seneta wa Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi 14 nĩciorĩire bũrũri turigainie na kuria irethano nacio nĩ rũbonge rwa DCI.
Osotsi issue was the DCI circulated the pictures. As you said, some of them presented, 3 of them presented themselves. The rest of the 13 or 14 ran out of the country to the neighboring country. So, but the IG and the DCI are on them, working with the authorities in the neighboring country, and we will arrest all of them eventually.
Maya mokete riri rubonge rwa ugitiri rukoretwo rukioroto mabinda kwa mabinda gukorwo rukimaĩrĩria kugitira muingi na makiria icigo iria igomeirwo ni wici wa mahiu. Uteti ukithiaga na mbere na kwithegea mbere ya kithurano kia mwaka twerekeire, Minister wa ugitiri Kipchumba Murkomen augite atongoria na ateti nio mangioroto thiini wa uthogothi wa micemanio ya kiuteti, akiuga kaingi nio makorogo makiribanya nake niguo guka kuthogotha micemanio ino. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma bunge ya bũrũri kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, njĩtagwo Masi wa Dia wa Mũrĩithi.